Did your credit score just take an unexpected dive? You're not alone. New data released this week shows the average FICO score has dropped to 714. That's the first decline in over a decade. If you checked your score recently and saw it plummet, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly why this is happening in 2026 and give you a step-by-step plan to fix it. Let's start with the big picture. For years, average credit scores have been climbing steadily. But this week, FICO released shocking new data showing the national average has dropped to 714. That might not sound like much, but it represents a major shift in the lending landscape. And if your personal score dropped too, you need to understand why. So why is this happening in 2026? There are three main factors driving this credit score crash. First, lenders are tightening their standards after years of easy credit. Second, consumer debt has reached record levels. And third, there's been a surge in late payments across multiple credit categories. Now let's talk about your personal score. If your credit dropped recently, it's likely due to one of three specific reasons. Reason number one, payment history issues. Even one 30-day late payment can drop your score by up to 100 points. And here's what most people don't realize. That late payment stays on your report for 7 years. Reason number two, credit utilization spike. This is the percentage of your available credit you're using. If you've been charging more to your cards recently, you might have crossed the magic 30% threshold. Going from using 20% of your credit to 40% can drop your score 50 points overnight. Reason number three, new credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, it creates a hard inquiry on your report. Too many inquiries in a short period signals risk to lenders. Did you apply for a new credit card, car loan, or mortgage recently? Each application could have dropped your score 5 to 10 points. Here's the good news. Most credit score drops are temporary and fixable. The first thing you need to do is check your credit reports from all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're entitled to one free report from each every year at annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors because 1 in 5 reports contains mistakes. If you find errors, you need to dispute them immediately. This is where many people waste time. Don't call the credit bureaus. Send a certified letter with documentation. Include copies of your ID, proof of address, and evidence supporting your dispute. The bureaus have 30 days to investigate and respond. For payment history issues, you have options too. If you have a single late payment, call the creditor and ask for a goodwill adjustment. Many will remove it if you have a good history otherwise. For multiple late payments, set up automatic payments immediately. Even 1 year of perfect payments can significantly improve your score. To fix credit utilization problems, you need to get below 30% as soon as possible. If you can't pay down balances immediately, ask for credit limit increases on your existing cards. This lowers your utilization ratio without requiring new credit. Just make sure your issuer does a soft pull, not a hard inquiry. For new credit applications, the damage is already done, but here's how to minimize it. Hard inquiries only affect your score for 1 year. Though they stay on your report for 2, avoid any new applications for at least 6 months. Use this time to build positive payment history instead. Now let's talk timeline. How long will it take to recover? If you had a single late payment, you could see significant improvement in 3 to 6 months with perfect payments. For high utilization, you could bounce back in 1 to 2 billing cycles after paying down balances. The key is consistency. Here's what most people get wrong about credit score recovery. They focus on quick fixes instead of building sustainable habits. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a reflection of your financial behavior. The strategies I've shared today will help you recover from this 2026 dip, but more importantly, they'll help you build credit that lasts. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these three reasons caused your credit score to drop? Was it payment history, credit utilization, or new applications? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video where we'll show you how to raise your credit score 100 points in 30 days.